Most people think the best-selling Slingshot is always the best. But when you're hunting, that assumption falls apart fast. You need power, accuracy, and reliability, not just popularity. Most Slingshots online look the same, but real hunters know what separates the tools from the toys. Let's find out which ones actually deliver. Product number 1: Timbaka Clay Balls. First up, Timbaka's biodegradable clay ammo. If you want eco-friendly practice rounds that dissolve in nature and won't damage your yard or wildlife, these are worth a look. At $7.71 for 400 pieces, it's cheap ammo for beginners or casual shooters. These 3 8-inch balls have smooth ceramic coating so they don't leave residue on your hands or gear. This makes them safer than steel balls if you're practicing near windows or pets. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're new to slingshot hunting or target shooting, you don't need expensive ammo yet. These let you train without worrying about cleanup or safety risks. You get consistent weight and shape every time, which helps build muscle memory and accuracy. The fact that they're biodegradable means you can shoot anywhere, backyard, forest edge, without leaving trash behind. That's huge if you care about the environment or hunting regulations in sensitive areas. Now, some people complained about how light these feel compared to metal ammo. Because they're made of soft clay, they don't pack the punch needed for larger game like squirrels or rabbits. They work best for small birds or target drills. So while they're great for training and eco-conscious use, they aren't meant for serious field hunting. Still, if your goal is practice with zero mess and low cost, these are solid. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner, a parent letting kids try slingshots safely, or someone doing backyard target work. Skip this one if you plan to hunt anything beyond very small game or expect deep penetration. At under $10, it's a no-brainer value for practice ammo. Product number 2: JTX CDF-HMJ Dual Purpose Rocket. Now, if Timbaka's light ammo felt underwhelming, this next option takes a completely different approach. The JTX CDF-HMJ Dual Purpose Wrist Rocket Slingshot isn't just for hunting, it doubles as a fishing slingshot too. Priced at $38.60, it's mid-range but packs serious versatility. What caught my attention? When you remove the reel, it becomes a powerful hunting slingshot with strong rubber bands and magnetized handguards to hold steel balls securely. The wrist support arm adds stability and prevents tangling during casting or shooting. The elastic tube offers high-stretch power resistant to wear outdoors. 3 single-strand bands plus 1 triple strand give you options for tension control based on distance or game size. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you hunt near rivers or streams, being able to switch between hunting and bowfishing saves money and space in your pack. You carry 1 tool instead of 2. The magnetic tabs on the leather guard make reloading faster, no fumbling with loose ammo mid-hunt. Plus, the sturdy metal frame handles heavier payloads better than plastic models. This design suits rabbit hunting, pest control, or even small bird deterrence where precision isn't critical but range and durability are. However, some buyers noted the rubber bands stretch out quickly after heavy use, especially if you're using steel balls frequently. Replacement bands cost extra, and the overall weight, 2.7 pounds, feels bulky compared to compact designs. So while it's built tough, long-term maintenance adds up. This is perfect for you if you enjoy outdoor activities beyond just hunting, like fishing or camping trips where multi-use gear shines. Skip this one if you prefer ultra-lightweight setups or only plan to hunt short distances with soft ammo. At under $40, it's a smart pick for versatile outdoor enthusiasts. Product number 3: Barnett King Rat Ambush. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for pure hunting efficiency. The Barnett King Rat Ambush Slingshot stands out because it's backed by a trusted name since 1962. Priced at $20.58, it's affordable without sacrificing quality. Its compact size fits in your pocket, perfect for carrying during hikes or scouting trips. The diamond-textured grip offers comfort and control, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. It includes a brushed leather center shot pouch which keeps ammo stable and centered for tighter grouping. Also included practice ammo and a warranty. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Barnett knows crossbows, but their slingshot line proves they understand kinetic energy and accuracy. This model delivers consistent power with minimal bulk. The leather pouch prevents ammo from shifting mid-aim, which improves shot placement, critical when targeting small moving animals like rabbits or raccoons. The lightweight build means you won't tire easily while stalking prey. And because it's from a reputable brand, replacement parts are likely easier to find. Some users mention the included ammo isn't the highest quality. It's fine for training but lacks penetration for larger targets. Also, the rubber bands may wear faster than expected if overused. But honestly, for occasional hunting or backyard target work, this balances price, portability, and performance well. This is perfect for you if you're an adult looking for a reliable, no-frills slingshot for small game or practice. Skip this one if you need maximum stopping power or plan to shoot often enough that band replacement becomes a recurring expense. At around $20, it's excellent value for entry-level hunters who want dependability. Product number 4, JTX CDF-HMJ Heavy Duty Rocket. If the first JTX CDF-HMJ model gave you too much hassle with bandwear, here's an upgraded version that addresses those issues head-on. This heavy-duty version costs $42.46, slightly more, but includes a 1-year warranty and feels sturdier overall. Same dual-purpose design. Install the reel for bow fishing, remove it for hunting. The package includes everything the cheaper model had: reel, base, darts, wrist strap, multiple bands, and a fish dart bag. Weight is still 2.7 pounds, so it's not pocketable, but it's balanced well for stability. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Hunters who need dependable performance across seasons will appreciate the improved durability. The stronger bands resist snapping under stress, and the metal construction holds up to weather and rough handling. The magnetized handguard works reliably even with wet or dirty ammo. This makes it ideal for humid climates or muddy terrain common in hunting zones. Many buyers praised its consistency in power delivery. Shots land predictably at 30-50 yards, which is sufficient for rabbits, squirrels, or nuisance pests. However, some reviewers said assembly takes time and the instructions aren't crystal clear. Still, for serious weekend hunters who value longevity, this upgrade justifies the extra cost. This is perfect for you if you hunt regularly, live in variable weather, or need a rugged tool that won't quit mid-season. Skip this one if you only go out once a month or prioritize ultralight setups. At $42, it's pricier but built like it'll last years with proper care. Product number 5, BASU Wooden Hunting Slingshot. Finally, let's talk aesthetics meeting function. The BASU Wooden Slingshot blends craftsmanship with practicality. Made from Y-shaped solid wood, it offers a classic look and natural grip texture. Priced at $10.28, it's budget-friendly and comes with replacement bands plus about 100 clay iron pellets. Great for backyard targets or light hunting. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Wood absorbs vibration better than plastic or metal frames, giving smoother recoil and quieter operation, ideal if you're trying to avoid spooking nearby animals. The weight distribution feels natural in hand, reducing wrist strain during repetitive shots. The included iron clay pellets add some mass over pure clay, offering slightly better penetration for small game like chipmunks or groundhogs. Many buyers loved its retro appeal and durability. Wood doesn't crack easily if stored properly. But others noted the bands fray faster than synthetic ones, especially in cold weather. Also, the ammo isn't fully biodegradable like Timbaka's, so cleanup is needed. Still, for occasional hunters who appreciate tradition and tactile feedback, this slingshot delivers charm with competence. Skip this one if you prioritize speed reloading, extreme weather resistance, or high-volume shooting sessions. At under $11, it's a steal for its blend of style and utility. So there you have it, 5 very different slingshots for hunting. From eco-friendly clay ammo to heavy-duty dual-use rockets, each serves a unique need. For practice and environmental safety, Timbaka's clay balls. For versatility near water, JTX CDF-HMJ's fishing hunting combo. For reliable portability, Barnett's compact ambush model. For rugged durability, the upgraded JTX CDF-HMJ heavy-duty version. None are perfect for every situation, but together they cover the spectrum of hunter types, from weekend hobbyists to regular outdoor enthusiasts. Choose based on your environment, goals, and how seriously you take your hunt. Happy shooting!